Namaskar. India's Olympic dream now has a house. With immense joy and excitement, I'm thrilled to announce the first ever India House at the Paris Olympic Games, presented by Reliance Foundation in partnership with the Indian Olympic Association. The India House is a space where we honor our athletes, celebrate our wins, share our stories, and welcome the world to India. It's a platform to showcase the beauty, depth, and diversity of India to the world. We hope it will be a proud home, away from home, for the entire Indian contingent, as well as the Indian diaspora from around the world. We truly hope the India House will be one more step towards fulfilling the shared dream of 1.4 billion Indians to bring the Olympic movement to India. I wish our talented athletes all the very best for the Games. May they shine and keep the tricolour soaring high on the global stage. Jai Hind!
The inaugural India House in partnership with our partners, Reliance Foundation, will be one of the main attractions for Indian fans and athletes at the Paris Olympics. It will also be a great way for the fans and people from other countries to know more about India and what makes it so special. India has proven its mettle as a host of major events, and India House will reflect the strides we have made as a sporting nation as well as in the Olympic movement. I would like to thank IOC member Mrs. Nita Ambani for driving this initiative and India's Olympic movement.